This is it, on top of the world. I saw the tallest building in the town. I bought the most expensive gown. I ate the spiciest curry in the land. I held the softest little hand of all the places I have been. This is the cleanest that I've seen. It's the best day ever, the best of all. The greatest summer, the coolest fall. She's the smartest girl in the whole school. He's the funniest guy, he's no fool. The worst mistake became the best surprise, right before my very eyes. That was the most boring movie of the year. This is the happiest I've been, right here. It's the furthest distance I have gone. The saddest lyrics in a country song. The most beautiful sunset in the west. Put your worries to rest. It's the best day ever, the best of all. The greatest summer, the coolest fall. She's the smartest girl in the whole school. He's the funniest guy, he's no fool. The worst mistake became the best surprise, right before my very eyes. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Far, further, the furthest. I wanna be the first. The most amazing time, the happiest rhyme, the best day ever, the best